here.
Yeah, I'm just putting the garbage cans away. God, these things make a lot of noise. Hey, today we're gonna look at the solar panel I bought. It's a portable solar panel. So come along with me and let me get back to putting this away. Gotta get in the garage. Oh, can't show you my code. So look away. Okay, door's going up. Oh my goodness, my garage is a mess. Sitting here in my trailer, and I'm wondering, I bet you there's more people like me. You ever wondered what solar ready actually means? I didn't. I'm hoping I can maybe add some light to it, and we're gonna look at even getting our first portable solar panel and attach it to our solar ready system. Here we go, I think. So what did we get? You could go a lot of different ways with portable solar panels. They're all over the place, all different. There's 200, 100. You can get a bunch of them. They're all not going to operate all 100%. So if you got a 100-watt panel, you're probably going to get 80, 85, maybe at the max. So you could get 100. You could be lucky. You got to think of that when you're buying this. This is the one that we got. It's made by ZAMP Power, and we liked it, number one, because the wattage on this is about, I think it's 160 watts. It comes with, it's pretty beefy. It also came with an MPP controller, not a PWM controller, which is a little bit more efficient. It comes with its own little carrying case. It's kind of thin, it's not padded or anything, but it does offer some protection to it. So you just got to be aware of what it's got. Once you open it up, you'll see that it's already pre-wired with the controller on there. This is the MPPT controller, and it even has a little 5-volt output. So if you want to plug in like I don't know, like your phone or something. I don't know if I'd do something like that, but I guess you could use this to charge up your phones or something with that. So this is what it looks like. This is about 15 feet of cord, and then I got another 20 feet of cord on with the add-on. So I'm good as far as placement of this system all around. It has this big plug. That big plug, I forget the name of it off the top of my head, but that big plug is what I need to cut off, and then I'm also going to cut off one of the ends of this, and then I'm going to wire them directly together, because that will just give me a big set of wires. I can park this thing pretty much anywhere on the roof within 20 or 30 feet of this trailer. And that's what you want. You want to put your panel in the sun. You don't want to put it in the shade. And if you're amongst trees, you're going to be in the shade. So you may have to push it out a little bit, because the big thing with our trailer is we have a solar panel. It's 170 watts, yes. However, it's angled roof. So that means our panel is on a side. So even if we park it in the direct sunlight, when the sun moves, it's going to be out of that. So we had to be aware of that. So a portable panel will just be our great backup, and it'll just power up our system even better. Right there, this says solar ready. It's pre-wired for solar. Well, it is and it isn't, I guess. But what this means is it's just that goofy little plug on the trailer on the outside, so you can plug in a portable panel. However, your portable panel has got to come with its own solar controller. You just can't plug the panel in. You've got to have a solar controller with your panel. And a lot of panels nowadays, they actually come with a solar controller. And then again, if you want to see some other stuff about our solar, what an MPPT and a PWM solar controller is, I'll link that video up here. But this today is just about adding a portable solar panel on a solar ready trailer. Ugh. So we got this panel knowing that it's going to add to our system. One of the things that you need to be aware of when you get these panels is when they come in a box, sometimes the boxes, in most cases, the boxes actually say solar panel, and the company is, and they put it on your front porch, and if you're not ready for it, it's porch pirate time. So be aware of your porch pirates. Be there for your delivery because they'll know exactly what's in this box. So our trailer is a Keystone 22 MLS. It has one panel on the roof, and we were looking to add another panel on the roof. But hey, I'm really intimidated about cutting into my roof and wiring it. So you buy a solar panel, aftermarket solar panel. There is a plug on the outside of the trailer. Now this is where you got to be real careful. With Keystones, they use a ZAMP plug on the outside. It's just an SAE plug. The SAE plugs are, you see them in battery tenders and all kinds of fun stuff. But one of the things that with the SAE plug is on these Keystones is ZAMP wires them backwards so that you can't just hook up anything. So you've got to get a little adapter, and they all come with them now. A little adapter, and all that does is just reverse the polarity on that plug. You can either do that or you can rewire your entire plug and cable. In our case, we didn't do that. We're just going to use the little adapter. My solar panel control plug, or the plug that you plug your solar panel into, right here. Solar plug attention. Only use a ZAMP solar portable charging system. What does that mean? All they did was wire it the other way. They didn't do anything else. They just, that's how they kind of think that they're getting away with something. But if you look, it's just a plug, and you plug in that SAE solar or SAE plug. We got a 20-foot extension. Here it is. I haven't even unzip tied it yet. So here's the whole thing. This comes with a little shroud. To protect the wires. You don't have to use it, but it's kind of nice that you do. Remember, when you're putting your solar panel out for everybody and out here or wherever, you're going to be putting it several feet away from your trailer. If you're at a trailer park, you don't want somebody running it over with a lawnmower or a weed eater. I'm going to mark mine if I put mine in the shroud, but I'm hopeful that the red part of this will stick out like a sore thumb. If I do put it in the shroud, I may put like little orange tape or little orange flags on it, because when you're at trailer parks, they've got lawn care people and they're all over the place. They're pretty good about watching it, but even if you've got like a Starlink and you've got that cable stretched out, which is gray, those guys could run over that stuff real easy if they're on one of those riding lawnmowers and they're not paying attention and they got their earphones going and just going crazy and just absolutely nuts on a mower, and they're just driving it all over the place. They could be crazy. This is wired in. So yeah, solar panels, portable solar panels. They work for us. Plug in, put them in the sunshine, but you gotta have sun. Yeah, that's the only downfall. And we recently went camping where we didn't have sun. Check out that video here. But yeah, it doesn't work too well when you don't have sun. But we'll see you next time, and thank you for joining us. Thank you for subscribing. Like, comment, subscribe. Everybody says that, but it really means a lot for a channel, especially for growth, especially for community. It just means a lot. It's not that we're crazy about ourselves. We just want to share this information more to people, and when you like, comment, and subscribe, it helps to put that out in the world, I guess you could say. So we'll see you next time on the Bueller Bunch. Bye. It's been a challenge on this one. Thank you very much for coming out and visiting us. But we'll see you next time. Bye. Next project.